Right then, picture this. Sentient plasmoid life. It's not just the latest whisper in the halls of speculation. We've got David Grush standing on the Capitol steps, bold as brass, claiming the US government knows these entities. If real, it changes everything we think we know about non-human life.
Midnight. Wrong silence.
This spine starts with Grush, June 9th, 2026, Capitol steps. Sentient plasmoid life, he says, laid out like a deck of cards. It's on record, not just chatter. And it's not alone. British MOD's Project Condign backs a UAP class as buoyant plasma formation, throwing in neurological effects for good measure. Then we've got peer-reviewed papers confirming the anomalies of plasma stability. Plasmoids. They're documented, instrumented. Hesterlin lights, caught by radar, spectrometry, magnetometry, the whole kit. We've got Grush's statement, FOIA documents from Project Condign. It's sitting at a solid Class B, credible witness, consistent patterns, but no physical trace yet. Calls itself out against the Davis-Puthoff humanoid typology. We're talking energy, not flesh. By Eck, it's the shape of truth trying to be believed. Open window. Plasma-based life reframes our entire taxonomy of craft and biologics. If these are entities, what are they doing here? Are they conscious? Alternatively, neurological effects alone could be a red herring. Perhaps just atmospheric phenomena dressing up for the occasion. Or is it all a diversion, meant to distract us from what's really out there? Nah, that's not really. More questions than answers. The signal's got the texture of velvet dragged through broken glass. My ether mark's burning, sensing the anomaly. What Grush claims, it sits on a delicate edge, teetering between the known and the fantastical. Who benefits from us looking here instead of there? Truth hides in contradictions, not clean conclusions. Garen we it then. Where next? Track the neurological claims, anchor them to the EM field phenomenology. Watch for independent confirmation. A second named government insider could tip the scales. Keep an eye on the Hesterlin lights. They're a beacon in these murky waters. Summit's wriggling under the surface, and it's not finished yet.
Didn't come here.